Today's letter is the letter C. C says k, like cat.
Hi again, friends. Today I'm really excited because we are going to draw a cat, and I love cats, and I bet a lot of you have a cat at home. I don't have a cat, but my sister does, and I love my sister's cat. So let's get started on our cat. So whenever I'm thinking of drawing, I usually start with the head, and I always think about what shapes would be the best to use. So I could do a circle, I could do a triangle, I could do a square, but I'm going to do an oval. So I want you to come near the top of your page, leave a little bit of space, and do a big oval. Oh yeah, that looks great. Okay, now the next thing I like to do are the eyes. And whenever I do my characters, I kind of do the eyes the same. If you've been following along with my videos, you'll notice that I like to put them low, and I like to put one on the left side and one on the right side. So you don't have to do the eyes the same as mine. You can get more creative if you want and do different kinds of eyes, but I'm going to show you how I'll do mine. I'm going to use circles, and I'm going to come to the left side, and I'm going to go low on the head, and I'm going to do right on the side a colored in circle right here, and then I'm going to come right across to the right side and do a colored in circle right there. Okay, very good. Did you do the same? Fantastic. Now for the nose, cats have a sort of triangle nose. In fact, it's an upside down triangle. So I'm going to come to the middle, down low in the middle, and I'm going to put a nose like this. So it's going to be a triangle, so it will be line, 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 because a triangle has 1, 2, 3 sides. Now to do the mouth, I like to use this little trick that makes it kind of seem like I'm using an alphabet. So if I do a letter J, and for those of you whose name has a J in it, you're probably really good at doing a J, and then come to the other side and do a backwards J, and you've got a really cute cat's mouth. Now what are you thinking I'm probably going to add next? I'll give you a hint. They go right here. Did you say ears? If you did, you're right. And I'm going to do one ear on each side. And because it's a cat, I've noticed that cats have triangle ears. So on the left side, I'm going to come near the top. I'm going to put them like about here. You put them wherever you think it's cute. And I'm going to do triangle. And I'm going to do triangle on the right side also. Now remember, friends, it's okay if yours looks a little different than mine. In fact, if you want to be more creative and do different sizes and shapes of ears, you go ahead and do that. Now to make this look a little more real, inside this triangle, I'm going to do a small triangle and another small triangle. And there I have my cat's ears. Now if you've watched my videos before, you know what I love to do for the body. Do you remember? It's a letter of the alphabet. I come below and I do a letter U. Now you can make this U as small or big as you like. I think I'm going to go about like this. I tend to like my characters to have a big head and a little body. I think that makes them look super cute. And I kind of always do the arms the same, so I'm going to come on this side and it's going to be kind of like an oval. Kind of like an oval. One on each side. And then for the legs, do you remember my trick? I go like this. I come below this letter U that I put in, and I go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then some people think I'm doing 4 legs, but when I add an oval and another oval, I'm actually making 2 cute little feet. Now I'm missing a couple details here. Something that comes on the side. What do you guys think? Did you say a tail? If you did, you are so right. So let's come out here and do a tail like that. And you can do your tail again, however big or little you want it. You can make it curvy, whatever you think would look the best for your cat. And what I'd like to add next are the whiskers. So I think I'll do 3 on each side. So I'll come to the left side and I will do 1, 2, 3 lines. But if you want more than that, you go ahead and do it. And 1, 2, 3 lines. And there I have my basic cat. Now friends, you might want to pause the video a minute because this is your time where you get to be creative. You can add on details, you could give it a bow, a hat, shoes, a shirt, a dress, whatever you want. Keep watching to see the details that I added to mine, and in a minute we'll write the word cat.
Get ready to write!
Okay, I'm ready for the writing part. So I am going to have my alphabet here, and I think I'll put my sentence strip right here. You can write the word wherever you can fit it on your page, or even a different page if you like. So whenever I'm thinking of writing a word, I'm always thinking about what letter sounds would make that word. So let me think to myself. Cat. At the beginning of the video, we said that what letter makes the first sound in cat? It was the letter C. So it's not a name. So I'm going to look at my alphabet and find the C, and I'm going to use the lowercase c because it's not a name. So that means, see these dots? I'm going to start below the dots, come up here, go up, around, and up a bit to get a nice letter C. All right, I'll put my finger under it and I'll read what I have so far. Okay, let's think this out. Ah, 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 ah. Yell out the letter you think it is. Ah, ah. Did you say A? Because A says ah. Okay, let's do an A. Again, lowercase. So we're going to come below these dotted lines, and we're going to go around, don't stop, up and down. Okay, let's put our finger under the letter and read what we have so far. Cat. Oh, do you know, friends? Do you know what letter that is? Look at them. Try to think of the sound. Did you say T? T says T. So let's go. This one goes to the top right here. Straight line down, lift up, and cross the T right on that dotted line. Let's put our finger at the beginning and read what we have. Cat. Okay, are you ready to check? See if we got it right. All right, guess what? The first letter is a C. We kind of gave you that hint at the beginning of the video, so we got that one right. Guess what, friends? The next letter is a lowercase a. Did we get it right? We sure did. And the last letter is really a T. Did we spell it right? We sure did. Now, friends, if we made a mistake, is that okay? Yes, because we're just learning how to write our words. So we did the best we could, but today we got it right. So give yourself a clap, a pat on the back, maybe even do a happy dance. And I will see you next time.